Hope you're having a good day today. Welcome back. This is another drill brought to you by Basement Billiards. So today I came up with a drill called Stop, Drop, and Roll. So the objective of this drill is to run through the entire rack, all 15 balls, utilizing 3 different pockets and 3 different angles. You want to do a stop shot, followed by a draw shot, followed by a roll shot all the way up the table. So after you do this a couple times, how I like to do it is I like to stop the ball dead in the center of the table. I like to draw the ball all the way back to the end rail, and I like to roll the ball all the way up to the other end rail. As far as placement goes, I like to put the object ball in the center of the table. I like to put the cue ball on the middle diamond of the side rail that you're shooting on, and you just go in order. The reason I use 3 pockets is because you want to really utilize all 3 different angles, all 3 long shot angles, and also because the other pockets fill up if you keep making balls in them. So this shot is not only going to help you with your stop, drop, and roll shots, but it's also going to help with your smooth stick control. Every single shot you want to focus on keeping your stick straight, keeping your stance level, setting up the exact same. Because this shot comes up a lot in a match. You're going to come across this almost once a game where you got a long shot, and usually you need to put some kind of English on it. So that's why I like this drill a lot. It's also good because in a match, usually you're going to be going from a stop shot to a draw shot to a roll shot or vice versa. So it's good to practice these in that order instead of just doing 10 stop shots, 10 draw shots, 10 forward shots. I like to mix them up a bit. So the only advice I have for you here is when you're hitting a draw shot, remember you don't have to kill the ball to get it to come back. You really just want to have a smooth stroke, hit the ball low, under center. And the most important thing is to make sure that you follow through with the cue. A lot of people on a long draw shot, they're going to end up jabbing at the ball, which is either going to cause a miscue or it's going to cause you to miss the ball because it's harder to make the shot and it's less consistent. So as you could see, when I shoot my draw shots, I like to follow through directly into the cloth, and I focus on keeping my tip straight into the pocket. When you're aiming long on these long straight shots, you want to make sure your follow through is headed directly at the pocket. You don't want to be going off to the right or left. And you really just want to focus on your stance, staying level, staying still. You don't want your head moving when you're shooting these shots. And right here you could see, watch my follow through right into the cloth. So I hope this improves your game. Please enjoy. Let me know if you have any ideas or advice for my future videos. And let me know what you think. Enjoy the rest of your day and billiard on.